Today is Monday, November 11th. Let's see what TradeWave tells us about the best pattern for today. Let's go to tradewave.ai, click on Wave Viewer. I've already selected Wilshire 5000, so let's take a look. On top of the list is MSI, which was here a few days ago also with that staggering, crazy Sharpe ratio that was over 4.21 or so. So it's still pretty high, but it's lower than it was a few days ago. We also had Broadcom a few days ago. They are still good opportunities. As you can see, their number of days have shortened. We also had Dr. Horton last week. It's still on the list. Going down, our DPZ, Domino's Pizza, that we haven't had. 4.41% with a Sharpe ratio of 2.35. Looks pretty good. Look at these earnings for the last 10 years between November 10th and December 1st. Last year it made almost 5%. The year before is 7.78 and so on. The average gain is 4.41%. It looks pretty sharply up. There's a little bit of a sideways over here, but it continues going sharply up. So I think this is a really good opportunity. It's only 22 calendar days. Average gain is 4.41%, and the price of the stock is pretty high. So you can probably do spread trading like at the money credit spreads that I do. Pretty low price, jump in and out pretty quickly. So today for November 11th, the pick is Domino's Pizza, DPZ.